Why is there so much food wastage in India today, and what is the impact of this?
Well, I think food wastage is, if you see the newspaper headlines or TV headlines, there's always, once in a while, there's a news of so much of grain being eaten by rats. That is the wastage, that mechanism for wastage that we have created. And it's also a waste that so much of food grain is lying there unutilized, whereas the food grain inflation is going up. So that is one aspect of it. Then this wastage aspect shows up more in the perishable stuff, like fruits and vegetables. And there I think there have been a number of estimates. We ourselves had estimated that the wastage in fruits and vegetables is around 30%. And I think ICRIER had estimated that 15 to 20% wastage takes place in the mandis because there's not adequate infrastructure. So this food does get wasted. And unlike, I just wanted to make a point here, that unlike the western part of the world where the food gets wasted after it reaches the consumer, here the food gets wasted before it reaches the consumer. So the problem is from the farm to the fork.
We started out by saying that the nature of consumption has changed. As incomes have gone up, people are consuming more protein-led food. So how does the government step into this, and can the government step into this?
Well, I think there are various suggestions offered. I mean, one is obviously you have to increase the supply. So you can either increase domestic production or you can start importing. I mean, so you have to have a mix of both, because if you just open up the imports, then you will become import dependent. I mean, and then I think that the domestic producer will also be disincentivized because the prices will sharply come down. Now, I think so you have to have another not green but white revolution, I mean, for milk. I mean, so milk demand is rising very fast. Poultry, etc., I think is still struggling because of that, the viral that had hit the poultry. I think the stock is yet to be replenished. So I think you need to, I think Dr. Ashok Gulati was pointing out in one of the programs that there is 100% import duty on drumsticks, the chicken drumsticks. So if you reduce it to maybe 40-50%, then the domestic prices will also stabilize. So some duty reduction, as well as at the same time concrete steps to shore up domestic production.